artists. Today I will tell you how to make a clock out of wood, moss, and resin. Put a piece of wood in the mold in advance. Then start laying out the moss, filling the voids. Great! Now let's move on to pouring resin. I use the Craft Resin's Crystal Clear. Pre-mix the resin with the hardener in a 1:1 ratio. Next, pour the resin into the mold. And distribute it well, using gloves. Awesome! It's time to mix the resin deep pour. The resin deep pour is mixed in a 2:1 ratio. Considering this, mix the resin with the hardener. Be sure to mix thoroughly. Great! Now we pour it into the mold. And leave it to dry completely. Super! Now wipe our product. Now we use crystal clear resin for the top layer. Add resin and hardener. Then mix well. Great! Cover the product with the top layer. Wait for it to dry completely and you're done!